We went to the MD near to my house, Dr. Dharmesh Prajapati and Gurmeet Prajapati, and they started the treatment and diagnosed what the problem was. It was an irritable bowel syndrome. Basically, it is a disease which is related to the stomach muscle spasm. It means whenever you eat, your muscles get stiff and it doesn't digest the food and doesn't push the food down to the next process of digestion. So because of which, after every meal throughout 3 months, he was whatever he used to eat after half an hour, he used to get some kind of abdominal discomfort, and then he started to having some bloating, and then he used to vomit out. So they found out this is a stomach muscle spasm. The MD, first of all, actually he was for 3 months because of not eating anything, because everything, losing all his food. He lost almost 12 to 15 kg of weight during the entire tenure of 4 months. And then, so he was completely dehydrated. His blood pressure used to be 80-60. And he was absolutely dehydrated with the flight, with the all flight and change of the environment, the weather in India. So he was absolutely dehydrated. So first they put him on the IV fluids, which the US people did not understand that the person is dehydrated, that in his BP was 80-60. They did not understand that he is dehydrated and he has to be put on the IV fluids. They could not understand it. I don't know what's wrong with the medical system over there. So, but when we came here, they put him on the IV fluids, so he gets some stamina. Yeah, and they also consulted the gastroenterologist and the psychiatrist, because the IBS even gets worse. The stomach muscle spasm gets worse when you have a mental stress, and we had gone through the entire, the very critical period of our time, because we both were alone. We were helpless with the medical system. So the stress was very, very much, because if you know your problem, you take the medication, you get relaxed. But when you don't know what the problem is, when you don't know what problem is, you don't know the diagnosis. So what medication you will take? So it was absolutely helpless. So here they gave the mental stress actually worsened the symptoms, and he was absolutely dehydrated. So they actually gave some stress relief medication and for stomach spasm, and he took this medicine for 15 days, but still I could not, we were not satisfied with it, because he was taking 12-15 medicines a day. So, and still there was not much improvement. So all of a sudden I thought it's stomach muscle spasm, that means something can be done with physiotherapy. And Dr. Veena Ramnani, she is a very good friend of my mother, and she's like a family friend.